Students, I am Parvesh and today I am here to teach you active voice and passive voice. So how to change an active sentence into passive voice? Today I am here to tell you about this. First of all, we should know some common rules to change active to passive. We have to change subject to object and object to subject first of all. And in all passive voice, we always use verb third form. So two rules are important, that we have to change subject to object and object to subject and always use verb third form. Helping verb will be according to that tense we are changing. First of all, I am here to tell you present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Active voice, if we talk, what will be the structure? You know that subject plus verb first form plus s and es according to subject and plus object. Now, as I told you, if you are changing into passive voice, passive object will be subject and subject will be object. Now subject object will be here and it will be in subjective case. Now subject will be here and it will be in objective case. Now here, because it is our first form and we have to use is, a, am plus verb third form. As I told you that always use third form and plus by. We have to use by before object. So it will be the structure to change active to passive for present indefinite tense. Let me give one example to you how to change. He plays hockey. Now object is hockey and subject is he. Now hockey will be subject. Now singular noun, so is. Now third form of play is played by. He will be him here because now it is in objective. Like this you can change a positive sentence of present indefinite tense. Now negative sentence of present indefinite tense, there will be subject plus do, does, not plus verb first form plus object. Now the same rule again, subject to object and object to subject. It will be here subject plus is, are, am according to subject you are taking now, plus not plus verb third form and plus by plus it will be object here. Now this will come here. Now one example, let us take one example of it. She does not sing a song. Now see the object here. A song is object, so it will be in the starting. A song is, because it is singular noun, is not sing third form will be sung by her. Now like this you can change a negative sentence into passive voice. Present indefinite negative sentence and it is active voice and it is passive voice. Okay, like this you can change. Now, okay. Now, past indefinite. Past indefinite in active voice, subject plus verb second form plus object. Now, change object to subject and subject to object. As I told you, always change it. And now, because verb second form is there, so was verb will be here plus verb third form plus by and object. Now, check this example. Rohan wrote a letter. A letter is object here, so it will be in the starting here. A letter. It is singular noun, so was. A letter was. Third form written by Rohan. Rohan will be here now. By Rohan. So like this, you can change a sentence of past indefinite tense active to passive voice. Now, negative sentence of past indefinite tense. In negative sentence, there will be subject plus did not plus verb first form and object. We have to change as we are changing subject and object. Object will be subject here and subject will be object here. Now, it is second form here, did not, so was verb will be here plus not plus verb. Third form always will be here and plus by plus object like this. See the example now, how to change active to passive. A negative sentence of past indefinite tense. They did not pluck. They did not pluck flowers. Flowers. Now, object is flowers and subject is they. Now change flowers. Did not will be were not now. Were not. Third form of pluck will be pluck. Sorry, pluck. By they will be here them. Like this, you can change. They is now then and flowers is on the place of subject. Flowers, it is plural, so were is here with it. So like this, you can change a negative sentence of past indefinite tense active to passive voice. Now, future indefinite tense. How to change a sentence of future indefinite tense active to passive voice. In active voice, the structure will be subject plus will plus verb first form and plus object. Now, in passive voice, object will be here in the form of subject and subject will be here in the form of object. We are changing, as you know. Now, here will is given. Now, we have to add be with will. It will be now will be and plus verb third form always plus by. How to change a sentence? Now see the example. Kapil will buy a car. Kapil will buy a car. Now a car is object here and Kapil is subject. Change will be there. A car will be, by will be both now, third form will be bought by Patel. Like this, you can change a sentence of future indefinite active to passive voice. This is active voice and this is passive voice. Like this you can change. Now future indefinite tense and a negative sentence with not. How to change a negative sentence active to passive? Subject will not, verb first form and object will be there. Now change, as you are changing, object will be subject here and subject will be object here, like this. Will not be, not between will and be, you have to write like this. Verb third form plus y, as you are using in all the tenses. Now check an example I am giving you now. She will not, she will not cook food. She will not cook food. Now object is food. It will be in the starting now. Food will not be, third form, cook by, see here, her. Like this, food is here now, see, and see here in objective case, her. On the place of will not, now we are using will not be, and third form is here, cook, and this is the third form of cook, cook. Like this you can change a sentence of future indefinite and negative sentence active to passive voice. This is active voice and this is passive voice. Now if you